가서 아니 당기 고도 아니 다지 파바제르시 쿠란기 디 symbolize 뭐래 디 아니 주주 사게 탐지 얘기 이 인지 첨부죠 어르스 인지 첨부 the inji 첨부 they become the form of deity 네 들려 네 제레스 받세 다시 들으시죠.
So, as I said earlier, in terms of the symbolic meaning of the noble Avalokiteshvara, Chenrezig, Avalokiteshvara is considered to be the embodiment of the great compassion of all of the Buddhas of the 10 directions, arisen in the form of a deity. So, in short, Avalokiteshvara is a symbol of great compassion.
다들이야. 근데 파버제스기 the for activities sommarmata sanam tagado kandar korangi for qualities and for activities and that and semeshing namnedi chade ole semeshi.
And then, in terms of the 4 activities or 4 qualities that Avalokiteshvara embodies or engages in, it is the 4 immeasurables, the 4 limitless ones.
다들이 세메시 다 참바다 인지 가와 땅념데 세메시 저야래 다 남균기 마 지 세메시 시주산에 참바 인지 가와 땅념스 시윤주산에 고림잡디 드르지 용데 야래데 냠는 체베 걸이야 아니 야 냠소 렘베 고림잡디 남균 땅념 녜라 땅념 토마르 냠슬랜 드네마 지 냠슬랜베 고림디 this mineral which on the other.
When the 4 immeasurables are explained, they are explained in the order of love, compassion, joy, and impartiality. That's the usual order for their explanation. But in terms of their practice, the usual order in which the 4 immeasurables are practiced begins with impartiality or equanimity and continues on there in the usual way, or in the same order as the explanation order: love, compassion, and impartiality. But in the practice, in the context of practice, then impartiality comes first.
Dona the 냠레사디 수수기 냠레 챙겨 수수기 딱지 냠뇨세나다도 수수기 간다 더 좋아서네 the feelings 뭐래 다 되게 더 뚱과를 처여에 인두산에 다 당부 세메시난 당부 냠레 가르쳐나 수습리야 펜쳐와다 안다 지가주에 수습을 대화로 가르여비네 다 대조셔셔야만 no need to follow the words some of the 고림도 되나 책이 고림다고 해서 게임도 좀
But when we ourselves approach the practice of the 4 limitless ones, without having any previous exposure to these, we can simply follow our own inspiration and our own sense of what we should start with and what order we should approach these practices in. So, no matter what we choose to start off with, the main point or the most important thing is that we should choose one of the 4 immeasurables and choose one of these practices that we get a sense of benefit from for ourselves. in terms of benefiting our mind, or in terms of accessibility, feeling a connection with the practice. So we should feel the freedom to choose the order that makes the most sense to us. We don't necessarily have to follow the traditional order in this case.
다 지단기 땅 아주 미진 않을래야 지게 미카셰 지 수술이야 지 타니버스는 다도 수술 제가 전부 해야 돼봐 안지 지 수술 셈리냐 저기 가서 지 셈타니버 해야 돼버스는 다도 야나지 초 초분 두시에도 제원 두시 전부 해야 되는데 근데 영어스 그래 다나 신기 안 가시 근데 야 미세 소소 근데 미세 잡아 매봐 저 초분 잡아도 셈타니버 시다면 돼 근데 망고 영어스 그래 안 가시 아주 수수익 셈 나눠야 지배 디 가서다 셈데서 막아야 되지 셈을 막아봐 안지 셈라 막아야 돼 근데다 미 근데 영어도 알아 진짜 미 다가다 지 아주지 가서야 돼 다니엔 파르마섬으로 자다 니엔다 안 파르마스도 자네 시다 자다 니엔 잡으시다면 다 근데 기타 지금 뭐 뭐지 영어도 알아
In terms of the sentient beings that we relate to in the context of this practice and in our daily lives, there are, of course, sentient beings that are close to us, sentient beings that we feel a connection with and some affection for, and some natural love and appreciation towards. Also, there are sentient beings who we don't have any special connection with, we don't have any special familiarity with or a feeling for. And then, of course, there is the third category of sentient beings who we don't like all that much, who we have a little bit of a difficult time relating to. So, in general, we can speak of these three broad categories of sentient beings, which in traditional language we call enemies, friends, and those in between.
진짜 변은 교랑 friend 교랑기도 초보 양슈 대래야 교랑기 지가주에 제번은 신지 수수 다들 다는 신샤오르서는 자신자담 다는 샤오르서는 다디즈 갈라 가버렸어 maybe theoretically maybe it's possible technically impossible somewhere but this 갈래야 돼 이내야다 디 인지비 야지야도 되는 신지 소고사디 디 녜삼리아다 가르주제 first steps 나도 조치슈디 게치슈디 지 가르주에다 나줄리아다 가시 미가시 데제 소소 제바 타냐와요 되고 가시 데제 타 롱요 되는데 건 technically somewhere that the tone device tone 타니리 용 ngui ni su toro yung gu yare tene ju sane tele semje chegwaru 시작해 민도 삼등은 도스 이나 내가 치슈디 가르쳐 되었잖아 디 수수의 초보야 시들 제번는 아주 여기 야부 제번는 시지 수수 다텔라 더즈 야부 제 모토비네야 베이직 섬으로 받아지 시제 차네 가르쳐 들이야 자들이야 지 참바든 제외 삼바 자완이니 매바 된듯이 매바지 차과디 드다디 개치슈지레샤
Of course, the four immeasurables are practices that have an aim of increasing our loving kindness and compassion towards all sentient beings, friends, enemies, and those who are neutral, or those who are in between. You might be tempted to kind of idealize this and think that, well, the goal is then in the end to treat our enemies in exactly the same way that we treat our friends. Well, in theory, that might be possible, But in practice, it's not really possible. And we don't need to set that kind of a goal for ourselves. We don't need to set up a goal of treating our enemies or those who we have difficulties with in the exact same manner as we treat our friends. But rather, we can take a step to gradually increase our loving kindness and compassion toward those who we have difficulties with. So we can see what first steps we need to take. So, in a practical sense, in our daily lives, there will be sentient beings who are more close to us, and there will be other sentient beings who are more distant from us. We don't need to worry about that basic fact so much. The most important thing that we should try to do is try to avoid a situation where we have absolutely no regard, absolutely no affection or love whatsoever for our enemies. That is a basic starting point that we can try to work towards.
From looking from very basic situations. 딱 아주 하장기 가르르다 시제 차네 삼동아지. 아주 심지어 탐제 랑게 년이나 랑 자이나다. 아주 자녀 가야면 버르지. 니지 이면다 강강로 지 대화 된대요 봐. 동해 된대요 봐. 다들 거나 진짜 desire 진짜 간달지. 예. 초나이 디도그 초아에 되는데 심상만 지고 차대. 제가 진짜지기 very basic 가서다 situations in a 다도 야는지 하장다 시제 차네 아주 심지어 상으로 당념세는 다도 상으로라디 대화 토야기 장왕다 토당 예대비치 동해 대학이 장왕다 토당 예대비치 they have right some digi yedebichi digi imbechile azu zisung che kwaji da azu kushib che kwaji tadi digi samdong kwadi dangyum sa de shize samdong da digi insa samdong.
So this brings us to the first stage of practice, which is equanimity or impartiality. Basically, equanimity or impartiality looks at things from the perspective of a very basic situation. And that very basic situation is that all sentient beings, no matter whether they are our enemies or our friends or neutral beings, they all have a desire to possess happiness. They all have a desire to be free from suffering. So from the perspective of that very basic feeling, all sentient beings are equal. So this is the first acknowledgement of the practice of equanimity, starting with that very basic reality. And then from there, cultivating further the acknowledgement and realization that all sentient beings have the freedom and the right to enjoy happiness, and that all sentient beings have the freedom and the right to be free of suffering, cultivating a sense of deeper acknowledgement of that fact and respect for that fact.
It's okay. Land of Gavina. The Yimbinia basic Tangishi of Nanshinki. Kora Shize Chane, energy. Dawa Dendoyava, Donga Tendoyava. That Dindiji Miji Yimati, Azu Janatu. Korang basic, the ride is an andado. Basic Kajo Koranzel, Totanshi Yavatilea, Nazuki, because the Kushamiava chair. And Delia Azu, Taji. Zitong have China, they do those. Should never have the lens jump in a Takanda or the basic ride there as with Tandonia Kushev.
So even in the context of an enemy who does us harm, we can bring this contemplation to mind. We might have an enemy or a difficult sentient being who has done harm to us, and we might entertain the thought of taking revenge upon that person or giving that being harm in return. From one perspective, a mundane perspective, it's fine for us to want to get back at them. There's nothing forbidden about that thought per se. But from the perspective of the contemplation of equanimity, the basic reality that this sentient being also has a right to enjoy happiness and a right to be free from suffering, it's not really okay for us to completely disrespect that basic reality. It's not really okay for us to completely disrespect and fail to acknowledge this being's right to enjoy happiness and right and freedom to be free from suffering. And from that perspective, wanting to take revenge on someone doesn't really make sense.
아주 시제차네 로미베 지과 또 야체선 시에는 아무 상으로 니도 소이베 심진이베 지과체 나 디나는 아주 로미베 지과이마 딘지기 시제차는 아주 상마 지과이인베 다와 천안디 아주 개침을 짓고 하다 개침이 안 되었어.
So from this basic perspective of being human beings, the same as our enemies, from an even broader perspective of all of us sentient beings having the same basic desire of wanting to enjoy happiness and wanting to be free of suffering, we have the same desire, the same feeling, and respecting that is very important.
가이스나 저분이 돌려야지 추루 잡는 방법이다 봐. 다는 신기다지 내다지 미리 잡는다. 다는 신기 트레디셔널 잡는다. 방법이 되디 참참 아주 시제 차네 지 로미 베지과 심지 베지과 인데베기 가서다 지규르게 따와르디 천안으로 시다 요금이다. 디립니 텔레야지 가서에 디다와도 봐 드립체 안 디게 아주 사물을 핀수지지리야 딱 안다지 초리치하다 착당 첨부치하다 또 디지 마부지 어디
These days in the world, there are so many different groups. There's very many different spiritual traditions, many different types of people. And sometimes we forget that we're all the same in this very basic way that I've just described. We forget that basic sameness, and that acknowledgement of this basic sameness becomes obscured. And as a result of that, we fall into attitudes of bias and also attitudes of attachment and aversion.
단디제기 꾸뇽 그 따와 땅뇽기 천하로 지여비나 아주 지 참참 no necessary fear down doubt down 다지 미지 다지 믿음이 봐도 지 no necessary fear the doubt the 망부지 人心系统而지 편토를 섬这个都是俺来的偏多的中
If we have, however, if we can remember this basic reality of the equality of everyone, if we can have impartiality in this way, then fear and doubt will not be as necessary as they were before in terms of the basic connection that we have with other human beings. If we have an impartiality that acknowledges the basic same desire of everyone, then fear and doubt will
다
naturally
너는
be pacified.
진짜이게
And this has been my own
땅념
experience.
세나자도 꾸념 정 아주다지 가르다지 타 미카시에 타니버여지 선타니버여 미카시 선타를 뭐 진짜 용거래 강갈로 지 초보스샤 강갈로 초보스 투야 돼 갈아 가보시자로 가시에 kon 소수다 디즈양 가수다지 가시 시가 경부에 되면 나 디즈 troubles 디스 가라 하고 드네 바당 양을 인지 대체 딱 쟤는 야가 예배 소치 드네 용이 야라 다 간다야 다 이제 섬타 니린 세난라도 다 레버 치중사의 연구래 이내양 시제 차다 아주 당기 시험나시 아주 시제 내당 지고 차려야지 라바르도 퍼리보데 랑게 저우이미 윤생기 아다고 동해 총나야 총 양참상 아주 동해 용화 쇼었음 된거로 퍼리보데 저우들 다 코란 동해 총나 sometimes we make a wish someone that 콜 동해 총나 아무도 없어 이내 did sometimes 지당 쿠란 저우 임베 윤세 쿠란 네바 체베 윤세 땐 다게 셰브는신 텔량 아스 네바 체베 텔랄 렌 체과 지야르디네 쿠란 저우 임베기 one part is the enemy 이내 basically is a human being somewhere the 인주산티 윤세 때네 아주 딜리아 respect 해야 돼 not totally like a denial 디자데 계속 있어요.
So it will happen that some sentient beings are closer to us and others are further away. And we can't just be pretending that we're going to be friends in a literal sense with all sentient beings. That would be very difficult. Furthermore, there are some sentient beings who have very harsh character, very harsh personalities, and it might in fact be better for us to keep ourselves at a distance from those sentient beings. So closeness and distance with regard to our feeling toward others, closeness and distance with regard to our connection with others, having those distinctions is fine. But what we should try to add to the mix is this acknowledgement that we are all the same in a basic sense in terms of our wanting happiness and wanting to be free from suffering. And so in the case of enemies, if someone else does us harm, at least we can have this basic acknowledgement that they are a human too and they also want to be happy, rather than only thinking negative thoughts about them, such as if they suffer, that's fine, or in an extreme case, we might even wish suffering upon others. We might think to ourselves, oh, it's good if this sentient being suffers. So having impartiality can reduce that type of attitude and bring us into more of a general acknowledgement of the basic humanity of this sentient being and an acknowledgement that we are the same as them in a very basic way. So when we have a difficult sentient being, one part of them might be that they are our enemy or a difficult sentient being for us, but the other part of the situation is that they are basically human. And with the practice of impartiality or equanimity, we come to respect that basic fact more and more and not deny it.
안 대신도 당기 권수시변은 시제차는 고주 대화 된도에 봐. 동에 된도에 되지 desires나 다도 지 퇴열 wish도 지에 인사 디 균제되네 아주 지 참바의 인지 기산 셴래야 참바의 인지 삼바께과 균제인데 시제차는 고주 지에 인사 디 균제되네 아주 참바의 인지 계과 지사래.
So it is because of this basic sameness that we share with sentient beings in wanting to be happy and wanting to avoid suffering that becomes the basic reason why it is reasonable to cultivate loving kindness and compassion towards sentient beings. This basic sameness that we share is the main reason, or the basic reason, why we would want to cultivate loving kindness and compassion for sentient beings.
Reinduda, Yina Danga Zugi, Tangi Kondishubana Singi, Chambadin Sade, Sosulia, to mission that the Gangan of Tea, Sosulia, impact Yunguyabina, the Sine Tonanche de Aluci. Sine Kasue. Some Tonhachi, Yon de Arabici. Yana, Randa Javaeva some, Randa Javaeva, Tindegi. Javaeva Midingelia, Gange Chumbina, a Shine Tonachi de Abaduci. Matochigi, Drin Dusane, Mazu Tachi Norso Sinse, some Azu Chambadinji Yedevdi. Energy love chamber, Gachamber, Mary in Dusana. To the end, nobody is helping you some of the Rani Zawaching Yamara Karasana, Susu Shenlea, Zewe somebody voluntarily some of the mission that are Robert Chang, Sambatang, energy Zewe somebody Yage Madame in Dusana, that dig miss how much you would charge. Tamatelia, Sosole zu energy Zawa Jengenda, and Anna Shingi, G. Concern Chiadi, Myondro Therapy. That goes and someone interdependent, so the circle of the tradition going on. Yes.
As I noted before, without the difficulties of others having a direct impact on us, it is often difficult for us to feel genuine concern about others and their suffering. And without having or feeling a direct connection toward another sentient being, it's difficult for us to have a sense of concern about what they're going through. And without this genuine sense of concern and connection, we're not able to develop a quality of love and compassion that is vast, expansive, and powerful. And if we continue along in that way, practicing love in that way, then in the end, nobody is going to be helped, not even ourselves. What we will find in the end, that the love we receive from others also begins to decrease and decrease, because the love that we are extending outward to others is not genuine and is not increasing. So if the love that we try to offer for others isn't born out of a genuine concern for others and a genuine sense of connection with others, then because the nature of reality is interdependent, and everything goes in a circle, then the love that we receive in the end will also decrease and decrease if we keep approaching it in that way.
Exercise that did Chamberlain social Sambana Shinji, Dindiji, Eon Mion, Summer Bataji, Dindiji, Yon 2 meters, and to Chatache, Dindiji Bezusha, get
And so, to avoid that from happening, we need to approach loving kindness and compassion as a training, and even as similar to a form of daily exercise, something that we actually have to test and expand the limits of on a day-to-day basis. To see, in the same manner of exercise, is if we can take our loving kindness and compassion a little bit further, to make it a little bit stronger, to test it out on a day-to-day basis, and try to grow our loving kindness and compassion genuinely in this way.
따이네 아주 통말지 잡아든 니지 냠내 체외거리 아주 expectation도 줘. 당연히 심지어 삼제를 잡아든 니 심 기부지 somebody 가르쳐지 잡아든 니 심 야부지 계기 인사마도지 대지 somebody 다지 기부지 당 야부지 야 드레지긴 하네. the good situation somewhere that is to ane ji chi somewhere that it is kala ha karre sana chawadin ji alla korji karchwe really take sort of karchwe da ji exercise chara da labardo and da ji chawadin ji mityumbi cho digidelia je face cheche de so nyamdo 따지 참섬 당원에 가락하부예비나 다도 수수기 따지 페이스 체체 딘디지 트레이닝 자와야 돼 계심으로 만도 맞아 도마지 expectation of 잠바드 미상월로 베 야부예 되버지 되는 게 잠바드 니지 삼바드 기부지 제네 담미상월로라 다지 gift 인더지 되긴 삼으로지 베 삼로 기부로지 At
the same time, we should be mindful of any preconceptions we might have about our training in loving kindness and compassion, and any expectations we might have of ourselves. We might set out with a nice motivation to say, oh, I'm going to practice loving kindness and compassion. It's going to be so great. It's going to be happy when I extend loving kindness and compassion. I'm going to give sentient beings a great gift of love and compassion. But then, if we set out with that kind of a little bit of a naive intention, what we might find is that when we come face to face with the obstacles to loving kindness and compassion that are also present within our own minds, then that's more of a wake-up call that's not pleasant. So we should be aware that loving kindness and compassion and training in loving kindness and compassion is not always easy, and that we're going to face obstacles that are present in our own minds as the antithesis of loving kindness and compassion, and we're going to have to get to know them too and train with them. So loving kindness and compassion isn't always a happy, pleasant thing. It's not always 100% cheerful in terms of training in it and developing those qualities. So we should be realistic in terms of our expectations.
Very comfortable. Expectation. 다 바르제시라 매와 comfortable 아니 소소하게 잡아든지 되게 바르제 매와 제 기본으로 되는지 expectation도 채되어 봐. 다 미진 척이 갱엔도 좀be 걸라 다 용서 말았어. 당에 잡아든지 컴퓨터만 다 용서 말았어. 다 가셔야 되지. give up를 채. 가두인의 expectation 데 가르쳐서 waiting for something somewhere 다지 베지 comfortable 다나지 very successful 다 라말레 질럽슈니 베 blessing me very successful very comfortable and the 지사저바 딘디질리 waiting 아주지 딘디질 리구체 가두인의 딘디지 영하기 라와르 체지 대비인자 딩 아주 더 냠낸 디스 야게민저 냠네 야게고만 로고나 아주 저와디 디스 깽이 영하라 저와잡 waiting for 미진초기 깽이 영하라 저와잡네 and they can the sen 지카르 수수 다 가르 오늘 전에 다 exercise retraining realistic training 총부임이나 아니 신의 정아서 야개용 토야요지 드리지 인사를 삼자도
The main reason why our practice gets stuck and we don't have a sense of fulfillment or enhancement of our practice is because we have expectations that when we do the practice, things are going to be comfortable and there's going to be no obstacles. We expect our practice to be pleasant and to induce pleasant feelings. And because of that expectation, when our actual experience turns out to involve feelings that are unpleasant, and when our actual experience turns out to involve some meeting up with some adverse conditions, we immediately give up. We lose heart. We think, it's not happening. I'm not going to be able to do this. So in that case, we're erroneously waiting for success in the form of superficial comfort. And with that type of attitude, we might request our gurus or teachers to bless us so that we have a nice practice, a comfortable practice, and so forth. But that's just an attitude of inaccurate hope. And through that attitude, our practice does not improve. If we really want our practice to improve and to deepen, a more skillful attitude to take would be to actually hope for adverse conditions to arise, to actually hope that our experience will challenge us, will reveal to us our own shortcomings, and that we will be able to meet those difficulties face to face in an open and honest way, treating everything that arises as an exercise in the further development of compassion. If we take that type of an attitude, then we will be engaging in realistic training. And if we can really practice with that type of attitude, then I think that we will see the genuine flourishing and genuine success of our training in compassion.
드는 미균산데네 아주데 보디사투와 전주 삼바사데 다 보우지리양 아주 the heroes 말보다 이제 보우르지리양 아주 두세 문지시야 다디 균산데 가라사나 아주 encouragement full of encouragement 지 소소기 샘들이야베 가주 야네 안도지 트레이닝을 체체 샘들이야 안다 간다 야게 당체 간다 지 소소 갱엔다 미튼비초 야 직범해봐 근데지기 딱 간다 지 직범해베다 보우선한다도 근데지기 간다 민도없다냐 근데지 하지 아니 제주서 봤어 봐 안지 기부 야보연다 다 상말로 보우러 왔다 직벌로 왔다 따이네 다 강에 준비걸이야 보우마한테 강에 준비걸이야 고랑지 뉴버를 떼토나 다듯이네 보우마로도 차리요 인두산에 디균센데네 아주 다시 encouragement 과디 안지기 다지 참여다 대조대 지금 아주 상마지 가로 heroic 가르쳐마다지 지 참으로 이제 보우체는 남산지 다 너는 조디 니가로 보우사의 encouragement 다지다 이제 수심리야 간다지 지 랑랑의 이切全部都知道 아니 랑랑이야 되네 지 가져다 give some strength to yourself to engage me.
So, in traditional Buddhist language, those who embody fully the trainings in the four immeasurables are called the bodhisattvas. And the Tibetan name for this word is Changchup Sempa. A Changchup meaning bodhi or awakened, Sempa meaning heroic or courageous being. And the reason why the bodhisattvas are heroic or courageous is because they have a quality of strength of heart, and they are not afraid of engaging in the trainings of loving kindness and compassion. They are not afraid of adverse conditions arising in their training. And because they are not hesitant or afraid to face adverse circumstances and difficulties, they are therefore brave. They are therefore heroic. If everything was pleasant and happy all the time, it'd be no problem for everyone to be heroic and brave, because there's not really too much to be heroic and brave in the face of. But what really makes a person heroic and brave is that they are heroic and brave in the face of adverse circumstances, in the face of challenges, in the face of difficulties. And so the main quality that enables the bodhisattvas to be heroic or courageous in the face of difficulties is that they give encouragement to themselves, they trust themselves, and they are able to give strength to themselves.
나들이 인주산다 지선이 가르디 제레스기다 곰 즉 가르 곰농자 다 디드린다 제레스기 남바바 제레스기 다 랑기 지위줄 다 제레스 곰체 제레스 곰니 다들이 샤들이 요래 냠네차 다 대한 조데 랑가랑리아다 encouragement there.
So, tomorrow we will proceed with the meditation transmission of Avalokiteshvara, which is basically a method of visualizing this bodhisattva, Avalokiteshvara, above the crown of one's head as a method for giving oneself encouragement to train in the qualities of the four immeasurables.
And 다디 탑시지래서 가르에서는 다 런이 전주 삼바 니임벌 몇바체 다지 런 전주 제레스 임베 몇바르체 안데 안 제레스 스르사네 상계 탐지기 닌지기 다 누바르식 간다 드네지기 다지 닌지 정수 닌지 등이를 지메 인도스타나 다디 소소 tendebi niji dangi rubi kyursong samrubi. Dili che yusan rang rang liabe nuba chambrubi jinche. Rang rang ningdobi chambrubi jinche. Da namju ngazu tezi gilu sarujo. Lelo. Da gilu reja da. Da ina da kabdi yusan ngazu da ji su liya. Ji sing semla sing de. Da nga chunju sangyo tamji da ji niji dangi rangi samrubi. 드리지 닝도 지진도 사네 아주 대지 남주인다 면라와르지 다 대지 심쇼를 봐야지 그래서 연구로 와. 다 가시를 연구한다. 가시를 지진의 연구 이기만 안에 다 남주인 아주 근데 삽삽 맞아요. 삽삽이라 맞아요. 아니 미신아 지 삼성 컨트롤랑 삼성 차도랑 들치러 봐. 다 이내 제레스 임비 몇바 체사를 제라. 다 차도랑 디 대보면도. 제레스 인양 차도랑 제 kinda 네드 한테 대즈 정신 대즈 가서지. 차도랑 증민도 삼을지. 양 콘트롤 체나 제레스 인데바 그냥 콘트롤 란데바 노서 matching redusa the redusa ta kana ju su liya da ji give some the superpower some of the su tech the reduce da tabshi reduce dan do na ji su gi ji gilu nyomle reduce de mo ngana ma de chi ji ana su sem liya sing de ji nye ji da ji che tu re sam reduce ana ji su ji ji in sam reduce ji gi 닝라 톱진 거한테 계속 시라 인사래.
So the practice of Avalokiteshvara is a skillful method for encouraging ourselves toward the practice of compassion. One visualizes Avalokiteshvara above the crown of one's head, and one comes to further relate to Avalokiteshvara through the meditation and visualization practices in a way in which one eventually identifies with Avalokiteshvara, thinking, I myself have become the great Avalokiteshvara, the embodiment of the compassion of all of the Buddhas, the expression of all of the energy of compassion of all of the Buddhas. And by thinking in this way, that we ourselves have become such an embodiment of compassion, we are essentially giving ourselves further encouragement, and we are allowing ourselves an opportunity to slip out of our usual habit of laziness and self-discouragement that assumes that we can't have great compassion. But rather here, through identifying with Avalokiteshvara, we are giving great encouragement and energy to our minds, which basically says, I can do this and I will do this. And so the practice becomes a skillful method in this way. And some people, when they do the practice, find that they can connect with this type of inspiration. Some people might not be able to connect with this type of inspiration through this particular practice or through this particular method. But in any case, for those who do connect with it, the practice becomes a method by which we can transform our usual habits. Because when we're identifying ourselves as Avalokiteshvara, we might have an ordinary, mundane habit of becoming angry or becoming jealous at others. But once we've taken on the identity of Avalokiteshvara and saying, I myself am the embodiment of the compassion of all Buddhas, it's not so comfortable to get jealous at someone. It's not such a good fit to become angry with someone. So in this way, the practice of encouraging ourselves by identifying with Avalokiteshvara can be a powerful way to transform our usual mundane emotional habits. It's kind of like giving ourselves a superpower or a supercharge of compassion. But in the end, it's a skillful method to encourage our minds and to slip out of our usual habit of laziness. We give ourselves encouragement that thinks, I can have great compassion, I can do it, and I will do it.
다 드린 루심다 드린 뉴스안에 다 드린기 치료샤래야다 대점도 치료샤 다 네서니 서니 다디디 모티네다 세메시과리나래 다 디고 근데 디 제레스기
That's about it for this afternoon's teaching session. And tomorrow, during our sessions, we will continue with our discussion of the four immeasurables, as well as the meditation transmission of Avalokiteshvara.